Hi people, good evening, how are you? Okay, this video tutorial is to explain what is the final project of the first term about. So the final project is called Last Christmas, okay? What you have to know is that there are some competencies that we expect here for the project. What you have to look for is the information necessary in order to complete the project successfully. Well, that's the idea. And the project has three parts I'm going to explain you. Okay. Part number one, it's called Last Christmas, and it is about a video that you're gonna make between 90 seconds and 120 seconds. That means between 1 minute and a half and 2 minutes, okay? No more than 2 minutes, all right? So in this video, you're gonna talk about how did you celebrate last Christmas? The idea is to use some of these questions that I'm showing you here. It says, what activities did you do at Christmas? Okay. For example, you can say, oh, I don't know, I went with my family to Villa de Leyva, right? Or you can say, oh, we went to San Andres, right? We traveled there. We swam, we drank beer, I don't know, whatever you have done. Which people did you spend time with, right? Talk about maybe your family or some friends, I don't know. Which presents did you receive, right? If you did receive or if you didn't, it doesn't matter. You have to describe whether you did receive or you did not receive. That's fine. Which presents did you give? The same thing. If you gave presents, that's fine. If you didn't give, that's fine, but you still have to describe it. And what else did you do? Just like, I don't know, I also watched a marathon of series in my house, whatever, okay? So please, I want you to explain that in 1 minute and a half or 2 minutes, all right? The second thing I want you to do is just to upload this video, and here are some steps to show you how to do it. The second part is you're gonna start writing an email, okay, about your last vacations. All right, basically you're gonna write a short email about your last vacations, what you did, and you have to include 3 pieces of information: places you visited, people you visited or spent time with, activities you did. Okay, you're gonna write between 80 and 100 words in the email. You're gonna think about like an email. Dear Cesar Romero, dear Patrick Francis, I don't know. Hello, it's been a long time we don't talk. Well, I don't know. Try to find a very normal type of writing emails, and just write it. Basically, you can, if you want to include a picture of that, that's fine, that's fantastic. If you want to include like I don't know, maybe a postcard, that's fine, it's good. And finally, we have like a self-assessment thing, okay? Where in this self-assessment, you're going to evaluate the process of the course, how you felt, what you have learned. All right, you're gonna answer 2 questions. Number 1, what did you think about doing a project like this online? And number 2, what did you learn about this project? Okay, well, that was it. Basically, that's it. And peace. See you soon. Bye bye.